Hello foodies, my name is Chef Christopher Fread and welcome back to the Opa Vlog, redefining Greek cuisine. And today we are live from my studio and today we are talking all about honey. Before we get into some fun facts about honey, our question from the last show was, what did the basil say to the chef? Stop pestoing me. So the first thing about honey is Maria Loi's honey is a unique and special nectar harvested from the wild forests of Greece. Uncommon flora and optimal climate contribute to the deep golden color, flavor, and delicate aroma. Honey is 80% sugar and 20% water. Honeybees fly up to 15 miles per hour. Honey is a Hebrew word for meaning enchant. A single honeybee will visit 50 to 100 flowers on a single trip out to the hive, and September is National Honey Month. Hey everybody, thanks for joining us for a quick episode this week. I want to thank our partnership that we have with John Boo's Cutting Boards. All the details are below for their wonderful boards and their products. And another thank you to all of you for sharing my videos. Be sure to check out ChristopherFread.com. Check out all my social media. I'm also offering private chef services, virtual online cooking demos, so check that out all on ChristopherFread.com. And don't forget, new video every single Tuesday. And thanks for being here today on the Opa Vlog.